Nowadays, many of my customers has asked me why there are so many low price in the market, and I have told them maybe they are in bad quality. So, do you know how can we recognize the manufacturer and trade company?
That's a good question. Good question. Take our factory for example. We almost cost $300,000 to build this production line. And this one is our automatic sorting machines. We use these machines to select the battery cells that have the same parameters and meet our requirements. We only use grade A cells, and the brand is EVE CATL. And this is the tracking code. We can use this code to tracking the sales information. And this is our factory extrusion machine. By using this machine, we can save the battery space and reduce the internal short circuits. And by this machine, we can also reduce the internal resistance and increase the charge and discharge rate. And this is our polarity detection machine. And by use this machine, we can ensure the positive and negative at the right way, and to avoid the mistake. And this is our laser welding machine. By use this machine, we can ensure the constant welding operation and minimize the risk of cold or weak solder joints, ensure the stable welding quality, and simplify control during mass production.